This 2022 CrossRoads Sunset Trail, Super Lite SS272BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 31 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, leveling jacks, microwave, skylight, awning, air conditioning, stovetop burner, water heater, oven, smoke detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 CrossRoads Sunset Trail, Super Lite SS272BH is 5,658 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.